All my instructions you can find under my videos. So in this video I'm gonna show you ATV. It's an all-terrain vehicle. So let's see this model. The model is really pretty nice. The design is really simple actually. Yeah, that's a very simple model. Without any difficult solutions, very simple vehicle, but with interesting decision in construction. I mean the suspension. Yeah, there is the suspension in this simple model. So let's see the model from each side. First of all, let's see from this side, another side, this side, in front of the model, at the top of the model, and under the model, under the vehicle. Next step, I'm gonna show you the suspension. So let's see this incredible decision, how it works. It works actually very simple, just like that. Just let's see it. As you can see, the suspension is working like that. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Incredible decision it was actually, guys. I really like it. Also, we can move this part like that. Very simple. Actually, the model is really nice. I hope you like it. So actually that's all. Which kind of the models you would like to see from me, just let me know in comments below. Check out my other videos. See you next time. Oh.